Okay, then like this moment, then I have two options. Okay, you have maybe kidneys and because you're poor, so you don't have that money, or even I'm poor, so my option is like, okay, I have something that I can donate you guys. That's what I get. So I think you guys already have all the organs because you don't have iPhone.
Yeah,
It's better, you know. It's better to keep organs safe. Okay.
organs is long term.
Okay. Thank you. So the next thing, is there anyone using foldable? Those are familiar with those ones? You see the advertisement or something.
We have seen it. We have seen it.
Okay.
I have only two kidneys. I have only two kidneys. I can get iPhone and foldable both.
You don't have any iPhone, so you can at least
Probably.
one kidney is okay.
But I love my kidney.
Try it. You love them better. Okay. So the thing is, those foldable is getting more popular. According to the country point research, the foldable shipment reached 9.5 million in Q1 to Q3 in 2021, and that is that is 91% increase from same period of time. So you can get how much popular they're getting. And the thing is that they're expecting the shipment will reach maybe 2.7 million units in 2024. So what does, in simple word, we can say? Maybe in 25 or 26, we even don't have one kidney. Because
I might have both kidneys, but still be able to get that. They will get cheaper.
Maybe we all have one of those. The thing as a developer, you were just messing with me, man. Okay, it's okay. The thing is, when as a developer, when I saw this thing, the developer, I saw the fold level is good. We can fold my phone. But the thing is, after then we realize we need to do more work. Then our reaction is something like that. Oh my God, that's not something I really
Let's destroy it.
Yes, so I don't like it. Now I don't like it. Once I realize that I need to do more work, no, I really don't like it. I never bought it. Okay. No problem. That's why I asked.
Oh, you are here.
Save you.
Thank you.
And this time it's not Loki, and
It's Abu.
it's Abu Anwar MD Abdullah. Thank you. Appreciate that. I'm a YouTuber. I don't have any job like him. And I'm also a Google developer, expert for Flutter and Dart. And I'm just only GD in my country. I think you are also only GD.
Only Flutter GD,
Oh,
not only.
but I'm just only GD in my country. Maybe soon we'll find more. So that's why today is forget. That's why. Oh, that's my channel. Oh, please subscribe. Don't forget the other one. If you really want to learn Flutter, especially UI or design, then our animation, those things I really love, then subscribe. Otherwise, don't. Because if you subscribe my channel and not watch my videos, YouTube algorithm is not gonna like it. So I don't want to do that. So yeah, if you really want to do that. So okay, the thing is, you already know those foldable stuff are getting more popular. So the thing is how, as a developer, you build apps for them. So the thing, first thing you saw a foldable, the thing is come to your mind of one is foldable, it's a normal device. When we unfold it, it's a tablet. So if my app works perfectly fine on normal device and tablet, there should be no issue. It's theoretically correct. Why? The thing is, they have some limitation and some advantage. So for example, they can fold from both, maybe horizontal, vertical. That's the vertical one, Samsung Flip. And there is one called Cutter. Cutter we really all are familiar because maybe most of the Android will have this one notch or seven cutters. So even they can be used as a flat or half open. So the question is, as a developer, how you know that your app running on a foldable or the user using foldable stuff? How?
Please.
How? To solve that, Flutter has a display feature property. So what it does, it returns list of display feature. So why list of display feature? Because it's foldable. The thing is, for cutout or fold, that's a display feature. And the foldable hinge, that's a display feature. And that notch you have, the Flutter counted as another display feature. That's why, let's say if you have a foldable that can be folded and that have a cutout, then you will see two display feature here. That's why they are this list of display feature. So what we have in the display feature, we have bounds. What it does, it gives us the position and size of the, let's say it helps you to figure on which point it bends and what is the top part size and bottom part size using. You can do that. Then type, okay, is that a hinge or is it a cutout? You will figure out, okay, this feature is showing for this small dot or something, whatever, or this folder. And state is something it helps us to identify, okay, the app is not flat. Is it flat? Or the user is too lazy, he's not open. So you know that. Now you can thank me. We are done. Now you can just go there and like, okay, we know how to do stuff. And the thing you see that now it depends on you how you utilize this feature. It's foldable and how company is doing it. And I really like how you do that. Look at what they does on foldable. Samsung Flip. Once it's flat, it looks perfect, not much price. But once the user half unfold it, the player takes the part. Because now there's a problem. Because let's imagine if unfold and middle you subscribe button, how you subscribe? That's a problem. But the thing is, they make it a feature. Once you unfold it half, your player will take 50% time, and that's pretty cool to use also. That's pretty fine. So now, is there anyone want to get a job as like Google or big companies thing? Okay. They paid a lot of money. Yeah, like why you just? I confused.
I want,
Okay.
maybe I don't want.
How many of you I want to raise hand? Again, please. A little bit more. Okay, now more people. Okay, thank you so much. So most of them. Other, why not? That's a question like you have own company or something, or
I'm satisfied where I
okay,
am.
that's you are guys satisfied. Right? That's important. Oh, we already okay. So let's imagine you already get a job in Google or YouTube. So your senior is so that's the thing we're gonna do on YouTube. How you do? Let's imagine the YouTube app is built using Flutter. So how do you make that feature? So we already know how to detect is that on a foldable we have bounds that can identify the top part of the side. Then how we do that? So if the YouTube app built using Flutter, then it may look like that. That we have a widget called video player.
Did you get the inside information?
No, they don't share it. But let's imagine if they did it, they will do that. First, Flutter is all about widget. Not to do Flutter, no. So we have a widget for video player, then video information, channel info, comments, and video. This is how let's structure. So now we need to do is create a variable where we store our display feature. So we already get the idea. We know which the display feature is. Then the thing is, I run it on a simulator on my device. Then how it looks. That's a real data. It's a Samsung Flip simulator. That comes on Android emulator. Yes, Android emulator. So it gives me that kind of data. So here I can, from that value, I can identify on which part my phone is bent and what is the top part and bottom part of size. As you can see, type is hinge because it's foldable. It's not a cutout. It's foldable, and right now I'm using it as a flat. So I have the data and everything. Just next thing I really need to do work on my video player. Otherwise, as it is, once video player take the height, they will fit. So for that, I create a function. I'm calling get height if posture open or I pass my feature. It's normal function. You can call it whatever you like. Even you call it whatever you like. For God's sake, don't call it X. Okay.
X doesn't like that.
Because after 30 minutes, you forget what is X. It's not your X. It's different X. Okay. So at first we are going to check. Maybe the user use your phone on an old device. They don't have any cutout and everything. So we are going to make sure it has at least feature. If not, okay. The thing is then maybe, for example, Samsung Fold, a new foldable device, they have both. It's cutout and flip. So we need to make sure that it has. Now laptop is not working. Okay, so that's why okay, because I really want to know the height if the user using it half open. Otherwise, I don't need it. That's why I did first check. The thing is, you can see I also there is a why 200 more than 200. I said another condition here. The question is why? Because let's say I have to figure out or I have to make sure that this top part has enough space to show my player. That's why. Now let's say in flip is a folder, like horizontally fold. I don't think so we have enough space on one part to show the whole player. So I don't need that. I really need on flip part. So that's maybe say I don't know. I say 200. It will work fine on my simulator. That's why I said. So I make sure we have enough space to play. If all the things satisfied, we return the top part height. If return top the foldable top part height, otherwise, if return null or any of this, we don't need any size. So we are almost there to get it. The last thing we really need to do is we can wrap our whole content player in a container widget. What is it? It's a simple box, and in this box I set the background color to black and define my function. So if there is like no foldable or nothing flat, it's not. So container will take the player height by default 16 by 919. Otherwise, if it has a feature, it will take the height, and by default I think on container my player will be on center. That's why I don't use center. So it will take the height, and that's the preview. As you can see, it's normally flat. It's half open. It will take the space, and it's flat. Is working fine. Okay. Okay, that's it. That's how it looks. And let's say if you would like to know more stuff, really you need to know how many degrees. Maybe you do something fancy, want the user bend your or whole level 45 degrees. So on Flutter, they don't get those. So how you get for that? Maybe you can use package like Google Screen. It's developed by Microsoft, but they are really doing it on maybe Surface Duo. That's all. But it's working for those kind of features. You can check it out. It really helps you. The thing is, there's a bonus, so I think you guys hungry. Am I gonna tell it or like we can skip it? It's up to you guys.
How long is it?
It's a bonus. A bonus. It's a bonus. Okay, sure.
Let's see.
Okay, let's go. Oh, okay. So it's like recently the thing I realized as a beginner or kind of intermediate Flutter developer, they are struggling to build the design, that cool design on Flutter. Let's say the thing is there is a war going on the developer and designer. Developer never like a designer. Wow, it looks good to us, but as a developer, it not looks good to me. It takes a lot of my time. Yes, but in Flutter, even if you realize, check Flutter in near like 1 or 2, they say like build beautiful apps, because in Flutter doing those kind of stuff so easy. And I realize a lot of people still start doing it. I make a lot of videos, and that's why all of my work I put it there on flutterlibrary.com. I'm adding more component basis. Let's say how to write a part in Flutter properly. There is a lot of way you can do it. Even I tried it. Trust me, previously how to text field, custom design it. Even I did that. Oh, I remember it like once I define a text field, then wrap it with a container, then add a border radius, background color, then it gives me this like background and stuff. But text field we have different style. We don't know that. I don't know that. So that's kind of stuff I seen a lot of people struggling. They don't know. They already exist. So I created those Flutter library where you will find designs like that. Complex design that like at first if designer shows you that kind of stuff, you're like, I'm gonna like find someone who can fire it. But those design is initially it's really hard to build, but trust me, in Flutter it's not. It's really easy. Maybe you can go there, grab that design and check the code by yourself, or maybe you need to build an app super fast. So you template is ready, and or like the client is like you don't have budget, so you don't need to invest a lot of the time. You have it, and you have it right. Connect to them and. You
don't need to build.
Thanks me later. Okay, so that's the website. I have couple of there is some animated stuff. Also, I'm doing all of my project on one places. The template you'll find I have more planned, but I'm really working on it. Okay, that's the URL, or you can scan it. And last thing I want to know is I'm trying to have some developers to work with me on my team, like on Flutter way. So maybe if you guys interested, you can ping me. We will work together. We can learn together. Then we'll know what we can do. Let's see.
Do you want to hire me?
No, I can't. So if you really want to connect with me, you can like Abu Anwar 072 as my tag. You will find me on LinkedIn, Twitter, even 072@gmail.com. That's my Gmail. So if you're really any kind of help, anything, if you have any question, just reach out to me in there. You'll find it me. I know you are hungry, and that's it for me. Thank you.